Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Bybit to Pixelverse. In order to do this, first of all navigate to Pixel tab by Pixelverse. Now click on the launch bot icon. This is going to open Pixel tab by Pixelverse. Now on this page, click on the wallet icon at the top right corner. Under these options, choose Bybit. Now click on yes, I have it. Now close this application and navigate to Bybit application. After opening a Bybit application, it will look something like this. On this page, click on the Assets button at the bottom right corner. Now click on Deposit. Now choose Deposit Crypto. Click on USDT or search for USDT. Now select ERC20. After you select ERC20, click on OK, and on this page, click on Copy Address. Now close Bybit application, get back to Pixel tab. Now paste this address that we just copied here and click on Made It. And as you can see, my wallet is connected to Pixel tab by Pixelverse. Now click on Gotcha, cut this out, and as you can see, I have successfully connected my Bybit wallet to Pixelverse. So if you found this very helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.